Hi dear students, today we're gonna learn letter writing. Well, letter writing is just not in your syllabus, it is also useful in practical life. In your practical life, there will be many occasions when you will have to write letters. And letters have different kinds. Like, they may be formal letters, informal letters, or if you want to subdivide, you can say business letters, official letters, letters to the editor, letters for job or job applications, like that. So, before we learn letter writing, we need to note some do's and don'ts. Like, we need to know the rules, how to write. Rules regarding the format, regarding the content, regarding the beginning of the letter, regarding the end of the letter, everything. So let's learn the do's and don'ts of letter writing. So the first one is use proper layout. That is format. And how will you do that? According to the type of the letter. So we had to use proper layout or proper format according to the type of the letter. If it is informal, there will be a different format. If it is formal, there will be a different format. And we got to write the address, date, salutation, and subscription. Where? Near the left hand side margin. Near the left hand side margin. Clear? The third one is don't use any comma after the salutation and subscription. Don't use any comma after the salutation and subscription. And guys, as far as the content is concerned, be accurate, specific and concise. And concise as far as the content is concerned. Clear? Don't use short forms in formal letters. Yes, you should not use short forms in formal letters. Although you can use as many short forms as you want in informal letters. In formal letters, you should write grammatically correctly. Okay guys, in formal letters you should write grammatically correctly. Well guys, now as I have shown you the do's and don'ts, now I want to write a letter for you to exemplify how you can really do it. Okay, and the letter that I'm gonna write is a letter applying for a job. The letter that I'm gonna write is a letter applying for a job, and I'm gonna tell you how you can make all things pretty easy. So you begin here on the left hand. You write your own address here. For example, I write mine own here. So 3/2 Basant Vihar, Kota. Then I leave one line and write the date, 24 February 2012, and then I leave a line and then I write to whom I'm addressing it. The principal, St. John's School, Kota. Now you can see I didn't put any comma after the principal or after school or after Kota. nor any full stop. You don't need it there. Okay, now is the time for salutation, and here I write dear sir. And as I have already told you in do's and don'ts, there should be no comma after dear sir. There should be no comma after salutation and subscription. So dear sir. Now now is the main content, and in the main content the beginning two lines should be the subject. You should introduce him why you're writing this letter. For example, I begin here. I'm writing to apply for the position of English teacher in your school. And then I can also write here, please find enclosed my resume. Clear? And then because I have introduced the subject, I need to change the paragraph. Now I'll leave a line, and here I'll have to show how worthy of the job I am. Here I have to write what qualifications I have, and what strengths I have, and how I can serve the school competently. So I begin here. I am an exuberant young man of excellent communication skills, with a master's in English, with a master's degree in English. I have 5 years experience of teaching English language and literature. I would love to work with such a renowned school as yours. I would love to work with such a renowned school as yours, while yet furthering my teaching skills. So I would like to work with such a renowned school as yours, while yet furthering my teaching skills. Clear, guys? And then change the paragraph, and look here what I write. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss my curriculum vitae with you. Then change the paragraph again, and I look forward to hearing from you. And then here, yours faithfully, Pankaj Nagar. So guys, you can see that after yours faithfully also I didn't put any comma, and in yours there should be no apostrophe. Clear? No apostrophe in yours. Got this, guys? This is all for now, and next time we can also see how to write informal letters. Okay, thank you very much.